The top Narrow Head Typewriter T-Shirt is a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern comfort. Designed for those who appreciate both classic style and quality craftsmanship. This T-shirt showcases a unique graphic inspired by the timeless elegance of old-fashioned typewriters, specifically emphasizing the narrow head design that typewriter enthusiasts find iconic. Whether you're a writer, a lover of retro aesthetics, or simply someone who enjoys statement apparel, this shirt stands out as a subtle yet powerful nod to the art of storytelling and the history of communication. The minimalist design lends itself to versatile styling, making it suitable for casual outings, creative workspaces, or even as a conversation starter at social gatherings. This T-shirt doesn't just capture the nostalgic essence of a bygone era. It redefines it with a fresh, wearable approach for today's fashion-conscious individuals. Top Narrow Head Typewriter T-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Stay cozy and stylish with our top Narrow Head Typewriter sweatshirt, perfect for writers. Stylish top Narrow Head Typewriter tank top, perfect for a vintage vibe. Express your style with the top Narrow Head Typewriter ladies tee. Vintage charm meets modern flair. Embrace vintage vibes with the top Narrow Head Typewriter hoodie, perfect for writers and dreamers. Express your love for vintage vibes with our top Narrow Head Typewriter T-shirt. Beyond its top Narrow Head Typewriter T-shirt design, the excels in quality and comfort, thanks to its premium material composition. Crafted from 100% pure cotton, this shirt offers exceptional softness and breathability, making it an ideal choice for all-day wear. The cotton used is carefully sourced and the entire manufacturing process takes place in the United States, ensuring strict quality controls and ethical production standards. This dedication to excellence guarantees durability and a comfortable fit that retains its shape, even after multiple washes. Additionally, the natural fibers help regulate temperature and reduce irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Whether you're layering it under a jacket or wearing it solo on warm days, this T-shirt provides both style and function. With the top Narrow Head Typewriter T-shirt, you're not just investing in a piece of clothing, you're embracing a lifestyle that values heritage, craftsmanship, and everyday comfort. Other product